Setting of edge sealing machine. The longitudinal sealing temperature is about 300 degrees. The transverse sealing temperature is about 185 degrees. The actual temperature is adjusted according to the thickness of the film, with just up and down. Sealing and cutting time is 0 per second. Travel setting is based on product height. Adjust the size of product and film. Adjust the size of product and film. Left and right adjustment. There's a handle on it. Move it down. It can move back and forth when released. Set the remaining width to be half the height of the product. Right and left is down. There's a rocker over here. Shake a DP clockwise. Adjust until the product can pass here. Front and rear adjustment of film. Opposite being photoelectric. Loosen this screw. The light can move freely. Let's look it up. Opposite simultaneous movement. Position yourself where locked in. Adjustment of the front margin if the product is high. The light is moving backwards. Moving backwards. If the product is thin, move forward. For example, if the product is high, we need to move backwards. Adjustment of the margin after the film. There's a trip setting on the panel. It usually 0.4 seconds. If the size of product is so high, stroke setting increase. Increase passenger up and down adjustment. If the product is thin, need to reduce. Product set at 0.4 seconds. Transmembrane video. The folding opening is on the right-hand side. The position of latch. Adjust to the left UG of the roller. Then adjust. Leave a little gap in the middle. Allows the film to roll more smoothly. Go under this bar. GB around this roller. Now the film roller is closed. Open this handle. And then you put the film through guard. Soon this gap more, hold down the handle. Wave is bad. From under the bar, go around under the bar. Go around this bar outward. Pin the film down through the separator rod. Pull it over slowly. Open the film. Turn 90 degrees to the edge. Then put your left hand on our left corner. Pull to the right only. and in the lower triangle. Put the tape in over the bottom triangle. Bring it in and then to the left. When it's flush, put it on the other side. Cover the conveyor table. Include the sheet iron. Fold in half back and forward. Put the membrane on top of the stick. Open the blade handy. After film alignment, put it in the gap between the two film rollers. After you smooth it, turn off the handle. Drop wheel. One cut in manual mode. Then hit the feed button to send the film forward. How do I waste film? Waste membrane, the membrane that emerges. From this waste membrane disc, roll around from above, come out from under the roller. Then tie it to the roller on the conveyor table. The pressure of the edge seal. The air pressure of the edge sealing machine is generally maintained at 5. Now it's so high. Going counterclockwise is going down, clockwise is increasing. Secure the air pressure by pressing this clasp. This rocking wheel. This big hand wheel is used to adjust the opening height of the transverse knife. Clockwise is to go up. Counterclockwise rotation is reduced. The height of our product, the height of film, is in line with the height of the blade. It is generally maintained at half the height of the product.